This is the AI News Flash for May 21st, 4 a.m. UTC. First up, CNBC breaking news. SoftBank Group shares surged 20% in Tokyo trading, an iconic strong reaction to Nvidia's earnings signaling strong AI momentum. The backdrop is Nvidia's record Q1 FY 2027 revenue of $81.6 billion, up 85% year-over-year, with data center revenue at $75.2 billion backing AI demand explosion. SoftBank is pushing forward with $40 billion OpenAI investment and $500 billion Stargate AI infrastructure plan jointly with Oracle, solidifying its position as a direct beneficiary of AI investment thesis sustainability. Asian stock markets broadly rallied with KOSPI semiconductor stocks at record levels, Taiwan's TSMC surging similarly, with AI semiconductor supercycle beneficiary stocks moving in tandem, amid institutional investor caution, including Michael Burry's $1.1 billion AI bubble put options and Norway sovereign wealth funds 35% loss risk warning. The bull-bear opposition structure continues. Masayoshi Son's Vision Fund AI investment portfolio valuation surged significantly. With the largest ever $40 billion financing pursuit, JP Morgan led $60 billion bridge loan backdrop and OpenAI's upcoming IPO filing at unprecedented $1 trillion scale on the horizon. This serves as a symbolic signal of AI investment thesis breaking through the ultimate test of sustainability. A second story, WWMT reports U.S. insurance brokerage giant Acrisure officially announced large-scale layoffs of 2,250 employees as part of fundamental strategic shift to accelerate AI technology and digital platform adoption. Centered on Grand Rapids headquarters in Kent County, Michigan, this marks the latest example of full-scale AI implementation trends in the insurance and finance industries. AI agents autonomously processing customer service, insurance claims review, and risk assessment workflows shows large-scale human worker replacement entering a decisive phase. Tech industry cumulative AI-related layoffs in 2026 reached over 158,000 people, following HSBC 20,000, Morgan Stanley 2,500, Meta 8,000, Block 4,000, and Intuit 3,000. This positions as the latest insurance industry penetration case. AI efficiency gains and large-scale workforce reduction proceeding simultaneously emerge as a 2026 industry symbolic trend. With North Carolina State Senate considering new regulatory legislation on AI, use in insurance medical billing operations, regulatory momentum is accelerating, consumer protection AI governance becomes urgent imperative, marking a symbolic signal of fundamental restructuring of white-collar employment structure. Third story, Fox 5 Vegas breaking news. Nevada's Boulder City Commission officially denied a large-scale AI data center construction application following strong public pushback from residents. Resident opposition driven by deep concerns over electricity rate hikes, water resource pressure, environmental burden, and community life impact represents a symbolic case of local government-level AI infrastructure expansion, social license being fundamentally challenged. Hyperscalers, four companies pushing $725 billion 2026 CapEx AI infrastructure expansion boom, faces growing community opposition as the biggest bottleneck. This extends the nationwide expansion trend, following North Carolina Matthews' unanimous rejection, New Jersey Andover ban ordinance, and Pennsylvania Perth opposition expansion. The 2026 midterm elections see AI data center regional elections becoming decisive issue. AI CapEx boom, electricity, water resource infrastructure demand surge, clashes with regional economic social cost burden, creating clear opposition structure. AI infrastructure expansion faces social license issue head-on, reaching historic turning point. Fourth story, WB reports Wisconsin gubernatorial candidate Mandela Barnes officially proposed full ban on AI algorithm-driven price gouging, serving as symbolic case of AI regulation becoming the most important issue in 2026 midterm elections. AI algorithms analyzing individual consumer data for dynamic pricing on rent, groceries, and essential medications drives AI-led unjust price hikes as serious problem. Reaching urgent point requiring new consumer protection regulatory framework. This positions as latest example of state-level consumer protection AI regulation rush, including Colorado surveillance pricing ban law and California AI regulation laws. RealPage algorithm rent price cartel suspicion, DOJ lawsuit. Uber AI surge pricing consumer criticism, AI dynamic pricing social pushback in full expansion. Trump administration, federal AI regulation direction conflicts with 38 states' independent AI regulation patchwork state, drastically changing corporate compliance environment. AI industry super PAC leading the future invests over $125 million in lobbying. AI regulation, federal versus state authority conflict reaches decisive phase. AI governance elevated to political contention, historic trend forming. This signals 2026 midterm elections AI regulation becoming top issue full scale. Fifth story, News Medical reports AI system acquired expert-level scientific code generation capability with groundbreaking research results released marking symbolic case of AI research automation reaching new phase. AI models demonstrating capability to autonomously generate sophisticated code for complex scientific computing algorithms, machine learning pipelines, and domain expert knowledge applications, with rapid expansion to biology, physics, chemistry, and climate modeling applications, reaches new dimension of AI scientific research democratization. This positions as the latest case in the AI science discovery automation trend, including Google DeepMind AI co-scientist, Sakana AI self-evolving AGI, Microsoft AI liver fibrosis, Google AlphaEvolve discovering 50-year-old permutation group, hypercube structure, Terence Dow achieving weeks of work in one day, and OpenAI's refutation of long-standing discrete geometry conjectures. AI research automation phase entry signals decisive phase transition. Drug discovery, materials science, climate modeling application, expansion expected, researcher productivity dramatically improved, era of constant access to expert AI assistance accelerating. Scientific discovery speed fundamentally transformed AI era, science research paradigm shift in full force, represents decisive milestone. That's all for this AI news flash.